little tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, and I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie coochie coo, and taste. Tastes like chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Out of sight? Okay. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Figment, you are not to interfere with the tour.
Our first stop is the sound lab. We'll begin by testing your hearing with a series of tones. Left ear, right. Continuing now, if I may, in a calm, scientific, figment-free manner.
Good time to use your imagination, so let the good times roll! Woohoo! You win 1 cent!
Figment, don't!
Oh,
yeah, that really stinks!
Of course not! The nose knows! One awful whip can set you reeling! One lovely sniff can be appealing! Your money finds what enters through your nose. That's how you tell a skunk is not.
You know, I'm sorry, but after that big stink in the smell lab, I hesitate to send you into the touch and taste labs. Perhaps I should end my open house right here.
Great idea! We'll go to my open house instead. It's much more fun. Right this way, everybody.
Figment, what is going on? You're turning this entire open house upside down.
Upside down? Now you're talking. That's the best idea you've had all day. With just a spark
you can't beat them, join them. We all have sparks.
Imagination. That's how our minds create creations.
We set them free and know what they can do.
Those magic sparks from me and you. You see, Doc, I knew you'd get it, because you got a wonderful imagination.
I do? Oh, yes. Well, thank you, Figment. So, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast.